Okay, we're going to do an unboxing of the new 2024 edition MaxBlaster Ozone generator. These machines are proven to kill odors, neutralize mold spores in homes and vehicles, commercial spaces. It ships directly from the manufacturer in Ohio. Very secure packaging, comes with this inner fitted storage box and a very nicely printed owner's guide that tells you exactly how to use the machine, all the secrets and tips you need to know, how long to run the machine for various odors and area sizes. It's protected by an anti-static wrap. We recommend keeping the machine stored in this fitted box in between uses to protect the plate pack from dust and debris, even during storage. Now, the machine is lightweight enough to move around, take it from job site to job site. It's not super light like some of the cheap Ozone machines. It's definitely got some girth and a little bit of weight to it, about 12 pounds. It's got a 3-prong outlet. We do not build timers into our machines. Rather, we offer timers as an accessory based on your specific need. There's only one button on our machine. As soon as you turn it on, this machine is going to start cranking ozone. You can instantly smell it in this kitchen. And so you don't want to run it too long while you're in the house. You want to plan on turning the machine on, exiting. When it's time to come back to turn the machine off, plan on entering and exiting fairly quickly. You don't have to be afraid of the ozone. The stuff is very effective and safe when you follow a few basic rules, and we make it very easy for you to know what to do. If you have any more questions, contact us at maxozoneusa.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.